Hi everyone, how you all doing? Today's video is an introduction to the long-awaited Octoral PA35 UV primers. So these primers are cured using a UV lamp. There's a multitude of different lamps on the market. I have my favorites and you'll probably see that in the video shortly. But you've got two options. You've got the aerosol option, which is always an easy one. I like actually having an aerosol can around the place, because if you've just broken through somewhere, it's quite easy just to get that out and just give it a light dusting. You've also got a 1 litre tin option, and you can buy a paddle stirrer for this, which I would recommend. It gives you a lot more control on the pouring of it, so you don't actually waste any and don't get any down on your tin. You can see that. So that's an option. Comes with a little paddle on the top for stirring it. You really do, when you get this product, you really must shake it up and stir it, because of the nature of this product and the build that you get from these UV primers, they do solidify at the bottom. So you need to get that agitated again, especially after it's been sat on the shelf and it's come to you. Get that going, give it a really, I reckon, I'd probably sort of give it a 3 to 5 minute stir. Just get all that going, and you're going to get a much better coverage and a much better build out of it. Something that's a little bit different with this product compared to some of the other UV primers I have that I've used. I would normally go prep with sort of 320, then prime onto that. Their Octorals are recommending that you prep your surface, your keyer surface, with 180 to 240. So we're going to go with 240 on this demo. And there's another thing that you need to be aware of with regards to this product is they have a flash off time and a cure time that's, again, slightly different to the way I work, and I'm always pushing the envelope slightly, but let's go with how Octoral suggests that we do it. And what they're saying is, if you're going to apply one coat, you need to give it a 5 minute flash off. That just means, when I say flash off, just walk away. Don't put the lamp on it, just walk away, just allow it 5 minutes to settle down, solvents to evaporate, etc. And then you can come back and you can give it a 3 to 5 minute cure, depending on the lamp that you're using. If you're going to put 2 coats on, then, and never overload this product, by the way, this or any other UV product, it's essential not to overload it. 2 coats maximum, cure it. So if you're going to put 2 coats on, what they recommend is you do your first initial coat, allow it 2 minutes flash off. So not 5, but 2 minutes. After you've given it that 2 minutes flash off, come back, you can put your second coat on, then give it a 5 minute flash off. Then you can come in and prime, UV cure it for 3 to 5 minutes. So let me just go over that again. 1 coat is a 5 minute flash off. Then cure it for 3 to 5 minutes. 2 coats is a 2 minute flash off after the first coat, with a 5 minute flash off after the second coat, and then you can cure it for 3 to 5 minutes depending on your lamp. So there we go. Right, let's get on with this demo.